In this video, I'll show you how to easily deny Snapchat access to your contacts. Be sure to watch to the end to avoid any mistakes. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app. In the search bar, type Snapchat to quickly find the app. Once you're on the Snapchat settings page, look for Contacts. Here you'll see that it's currently enabled, which means Snapchat has full access to your contacts. To prevent Snapchat from accessing your contacts, toggle these settings to disable. After that, exit the settings and open the Snapchat app. Tap on your Bitmoji or profile picture in the top left corner, and then to go to settings by tapping on the gear icon. In the settings menu, look for Clear Data, which is under Privacy Controls. Now click on Clear Contact Data. You will see a message that confirming this action will delete all your contacts and you will no longer see them in the Snapchat app. To continue, just click on Confirm. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it thumbs up.